Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP. I'm only doing 2 XRP videos for today. I literally got home an hour ago. It's now 7:30 at night, and I'm finally sitting down to record. What started out as a service call turned into me working all day. Hopefully tomorrow I could put more together. And you know what was strange? Throughout the day, people kept messaging me saying, "Bro, you're in crypto. Why are the Bitcoin transactions so expensive right now?" I must have had 5-6 people send that to me. Other people asking me what's going on with Bitcoin right now. And you know, we'll talk a little bit about that in today's video. So we're looking at XRP on the 1-day chart, sitting here just under 53 cents. It was a green day for XRP. Now we're not going parabolic. We literally moved up 3 cents, but it was nice to see that happening. And then there was a lot of people just hating on XRP over the last couple days as well. Holding XRP for 7 years not making shit is something unbelievable. If I bought any trash coin, I would be a multi-millionaire by now. But I was always laughing at people who buy shitcoins. Now all of shitcoin people laughing so hard at me. Thank you, Brad Garlinghouse, Joel Katz, Chris Larson, Ripple. I really appreciate all of you. David Schwartz actually answered this back. 7 years ago was 4/19/2017. XRP was at 3 cents on 4/19/2017. That's a 1,500% increase, equivalent to an APY of 47%. You know, there's people that were messaging me as well just the other day saying, "I bought the top and look at what happened now. I had to sell and I lost everything." The only way you lose is if you sell. XRP is about to have a massive run up, and I see people saying that they lost everything. You know, if you would have just listened, even back then, people always tell you, you buy the bottom, you don't buy the top. There's XRP that I bought above $1 back in 2021 because I thought we were going to go higher, and instead we pulled back down. But I have no regrets. I still know I'm going to make profit on that XRP that I bought above $1. You know, everybody acts like it's somebody else's fault that they bought the top. They act like it's Ripple's fault. You know, Ripple's out there doing what Ripple does. You know, making new partnerships, acquiring other companies, looking for more on-demand liquidity partners. You know, and then look at the direction Brad has been taking us in. You know, all you got to do is stay patient and you will make money in crypto. It's going to happen this year. Now, there was a lot of people saying that Ripple does not care about XRP. So here's Ripple's ongoing commitment to XRP. Ripple continues to advocate for the utility of its XRP token, particularly through its ODL service, which facilitates real-time transactions between financial institutions using XRP as a bridge currency. Despite challenges in gaining traction among banks and payment companies, Ripple remains committed to integrating XRP with its stablecoin strategy as well, envisioning a more robust community engagement around its ledger. Garlinghouse highlighted the role of stablecoins in modern payment systems and noted the positive impact other blockchain networks have seen by integrating stablecoins within their operations. He emphasized community requests for a USD-backed stablecoin on the XRP ledger as a testament to the demand and support within the XRP community. Recent data from CoinGecko indicates a 13% increase in XRP's value over the past year, reflecting growth market confidence. And that's steady growth that's happening. And the price of XRP is higher than it was a year ago. And you know, we are going to have a massive alt season happen in the coming months. And XRP is always going to remain at the heart of everything Ripple does. And you know, I even pointed out in yesterday's video that the value isn't going to come by how many transactions that are happening utilizing XRP. It's going to come from the liquidity that XRP provides. Not quite what I expected in the hours after the Bitcoin halving. You see, the market read except for XRP. It was moving upward. And you know, I took notice to that as well. It was great to see that happening. Now, this is how people were talking about Bitcoin. Screw Bitcoin right now. A $360 transaction fee. What a joke. And people were just pissed off. Bitcoin fees greater than $100. If you have $100 in Bitcoin, you need to spend more than $200 to get that $100 out of your wallet. 54% of Bitcoin addresses hold less than 0.001 Bitcoin, which is currently $63.70. I don't know exactly how many addresses hold between $64 and $100 worth of Bitcoin. All those addresses can't move money now because they can't pay the transaction fees. There are a total of 5,660 unmovable Bitcoin. Addresses holding between $64 and $100 in Bitcoin are not included in this. A lot of people were very pissed off. I think a lot of them were retail investors wondering what was going on. Because you got to remember, when the retail investors were buying their Bitcoin, they were told by Maxis that Bitcoin is the future. What would you do on a day like today if all you could transact in is Bitcoin? You would be totally screwed because of the transaction cost. That's why Bitcoin is not the future. And why do you think Bitcoin Maxis hate XRP holders so much? It's because their own creator has told them that Bitcoin is not the path forward. XRP is going to launch 3 years from now, and I expect it to be an improved version of Bitcoin, solving double sending in a more efficient and decentralized way than proof of work. XRP is going to be deflationary and better than Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin community is going to hate it because it will be different, and they will be thinking that Bitcoin is the one and only. But eventually, people are going to realize that XRP is the standard. From Satoshi Nakamoto. And that's exactly what's going on right now. Some people in Bitcoin are starting to wake up. They're starting to realize the potential of XRP. They're starting to realize that XRP is the future and not Bitcoin. It's the same reason I'm always telling retail investors in Bitcoin, once it runs up, cash out and get invested into utility. Because I don't see a future with Bitcoin. Honestly, what I think is actually going to go on is what BlackRock is talking about, tokenizing Bitcoin. Where will that tokenized Bitcoin end up? Most likely on the XRP ledger. That's what will fix Bitcoin. XRP Bollinger Bands are officially the tightest ever in history. The last time they were this tight, there was a 65,000% rally that followed. Now, I don't know about a 65,000% rally, but it looks like things are heating up and we are going to see a blast off on XRP. And it is going to be an exciting time ahead. You could already see it coming. And you know, as the Bitcoin Maxis were asking me all these questions, one thing that kept running through my mind, the Bitcoin holders, I always thought to myself, you know, people lost hope in XRP, yet all the proof is right there in front of them that XRP is going to move the world's money. Bitcoin Maxis just hype it up and people put their money in it, only to find out later that Bitcoin sucks. Later, everybody's going to realize how great XRP actually is. Institutional adoption in blockchain and crypto is at its highest point, says Block Demon strategist. I would probably say that institutional adoption in the space is at its highest point it's ever been, but I wouldn't mistake that with saying that there's loads of institutional adoption. When it comes to wide-scale adoption in institutions across the spectrum of institutions, from asset managers to pension funds to hedge funds to sovereign wealth funds, I think we're still very much at the foot of the hill, meaning this is nothing compared to what is coming next. Institutional mass adoption is going to happen. And when it does, it is going to push the price of a lot of these cryptocurrencies into the stratosphere, these utility-driven cryptocurrencies. We are on the cusp of entering into a utility-driven cycle. Take a listen.
To date, most of the three cycles that we've had generally been driven by hype of one way or another, one sort or another, whether it's ICOs, whether it's DeFi, DeFi summer and NFTs. But the fundamental value behind it was always like a step behind because the tech wasn't actually mature enough. So while there is certainly some speculation still in today's markets of, oh, the Bitcoin halving is coming, or people that are trying to move money out of Russia and China, I think for the first time there's a combination of both institutional adoption and regulatory clarity that we're seeing across much of Europe, Japan, Hong Kong, Korea, the US to some degree. So kind of like the regulatory clarity, which is making institutions much more comfortable with delving into real world assets and the like, but also the technology itself is for the first time ever in a place where I think you can actually build viable applications that are performant, right? So we've solved the scalability problem with various layer ones and layer twos. We've reduced the cost to negligible gas fees. We've leveraged account abstraction and the like to make these applications actually usable. We have like robust dev tooling, which makes it easier for people to build. So for the first time, like in the last 6 months, we're actually able to build viable applications across a range of different sectors. And we're really seeing this. So right now, when people are raising money, they're raising money for projects that are actually viable, that have customers that are alive. And I think that's significantly going to affect the trading ecosystem because I hope it will be more based on actual fundamentals rather than just speculation.
The speculation is ending as we see institutional adoption beginning and regulatory clarity is coming, and it's coming quick. And the next step is going to be utility-driven cryptocurrencies pushing the whole market. We're going to see rises in these cryptocurrencies so quick. Everybody that ever thought they were a scam coin or sold too soon or bought the top and sold the bottom are all going to realize what they were holding all along. They were holding the future. And that's what you're holding when you're holding XRP. And I stress that all the time because I try to get people that aren't invested in crypto yet, invest it before time runs out. You know, the digital age is here. I want to see everybody make money. You know, there's people out there that only care about themselves and they want to see themselves get rich. I want to see as many people as possible get rich off of XRP, off of maybe XLM and XDC, QNT, HBAR, Casper, Nexera. I want to see so many people get rich because this is our path away from the broken U.S. financial system, the broken U.S. dollar, or maybe it's the dollar in your country, whatever it is. Maybe it's the euro, the digital euro that's coming, or maybe it's the digital pound, and you want to break away from that. Crypto is your exit. All you have to do is hold it and get that financial freedom. And this way you can escape the matrix. And I want to see as many people as possible do that. And I'm always trying to get people, you know, random people that I run into and I start talking to them about crypto. I want them to get financial freedom because this is our one shot. I always looked at it that way. And sharing it with as many people as I possibly can, I feel like I'm helping them escape what's coming. Mass inflation. I think inflation, hyperinflation is definitely coming at some point in the US as well. You see it around the world and it's happening in real time. And crypto can help you escape that. One thing I want to point out is this right here. For the Bitcoin halving 2024, Decent Wallet is also having its price for the 48 hours. Get a Decent biometric wallet for only $69 now. I don't promote anything on this channel. I actually use Decent, and there's a link down below. Because I figured, you know, if I'm going to talk about something or promote something, it has to be good. And that's why I said, you know, use my affiliate, get Decent Wallet, and get your crypto off the exchanges. Keep your crypto safe. But, you know, until it all happens, we got to stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.